my journey, and in today's video we are going to delve into a very interesting subject on the channel that I've never done before. So this is my first one. Pretty excited. But most people seem to think that these restock videos that have become incredibly popular on the internet are purely for aesthetic, and that's the only reason. So I challenge you today to open your mind and delve into a very interesting concept. Stay tuned.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.
So now that we're back and you've seen the restock that I've done earlier today, the concept for me is that if I don't take it out of the packaging and put it into a container that would allow for my visual learning to flourish, I would never know that the product is actually empty or low. And I understand most people would be like, so then why not just go pick it up? Because a visual learner learns through vision. And by setting my house up in a way where it works with my strengths and my assets actually allows for me to be more successful in my life. I'm going to attempt to leave a link down below. I'm not sure if whether or not I'm going to find one that I would approve of, but if you would like to know what your learning style is and where your strengths are, check the link down below. I will also tag a link that I feel appropriately allows for you as a viewer to find out what your strength is, so that if you choose to do what I'm doing, you can set things up in what suits you the best. That's it for this one. I'm going to send it off to the editing board and hopefully get this up by next week so that you all can see it. In the meantime, have a very, very wonderful day. And as always, thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Bye.